On the sides here, I got 5 and 5 5/8, 8 and an 1/8. 5 5/8, 8 and 1/8. Okay, and now down from the top, I've got, we'll call it a 3 and 6 7/8. Okay, so 3, 6 7/8, and if you can't see me, I'm around the corner here just marking that piece, and lastly I'm going to grab one last thing. Speed square. So what I'm actually doing here, marked everything out, so that way all I gotta do is say, okay, well, here's the bottom line, here's the top line, left side, right side. Now, let's see how closely the marks worked. How about that? Good to have interchangeable batteries. Okay. I don't want to break my piece, so here's a little trick. Look at that. That is money. All right. Got a little too excited, but what we should always do is mark that stud. That way you're not trying to guess. Okay? So, there it is. Hopefully, it should drop in a little smoother now. Okay? Now, look at that. It's beautiful. Okay? Now, I'm just using 1¼ drywall screws. Okay? Here's another thing that gets overlooked. Always put a screw down here too. Because since I cut it out, you don't know where the screw pattern is, so always make sure you're starting fresh. And that even goes for your corners too. You are better safe than sorry, but if you didn't see that, when I ran that screw in, it actually bucked that out, letting you know that that was actually loose. So, okay. Just like that, look at that. Again, piece up here. If you could see that from back there, that actually got pulled out yet again. So that is absolutely loose. Okay? Now, I like eyeballing, but normally I would like to just put a level on there and connect your dots. I'm just trying to move through the video for you here so you see what it is. We're basically down to the end, but it's still good as a point of principle to try to keep yourself uniform, even though I'm kind of doing the opposite right now by rushing through, trying to, you see, don't abandon yourself from making sure your job is going to hold up. Trying to talk around impact noises. Last thing you want is for this to be flopping around, so. Okay. Throw one more in there for good measure. All right. There it is. Outlet for the TV. Patch job in there now. Smooth as it can get. Thanks for watching.